That didn't go how I planned it. In my head it seemed different, but whatever. What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel, JustSymphoni, but you can call me Symphony. How y'all doing? So I'm here today to do a little unboxing with y'all, okay? I just got a package in the mail and I just want to show y'all what I got. So I'm sure from the title of this video you already know what it is, and I'm sure that's why you have clicked on this video. So we're gonna jump straight into it. This is the package. You know, I'm a Telfar girl, okay? I am building up my little collection. I have a total of about, how many bags do I have so far? Wow, I think I have 4, but this one makes 5, I believe. I think I may have a total of 5 bags. Yes, that's crazy. I need to do like a little collection, Telfar collection haul for y'all, because baby, apparently I'm just running all my money over there. So as you all know, Telfar drops their bags one by one for the most part. You know, they drop them by color. And then of course now that they have like new styles and different things and new lines that they drop, and they drop those kind of individually too. So you really just kind of, it's a waiting game with them. You really got to wait till the one you're looking for is re-released before, you know, you can purchase it. So this bag I got, I decided to snag it during the bag security program. If you don't know what the bag security program is, it's basically where all of their, pretty much, I guess, inventory becomes available. All their bags, duffels, those new bags, wallets, whatever, everything just becomes available, and you have like a certain time frame to get what you want, okay, before it ends. So therefore you don't have to wait for everything to release individually. You can just get it then. So, you know, I'm like, all right, this is my chance. Let me just go ahead and get the color I want, because I don't know when it's gonna come back around, and I ain't got time to be watching for it. So let me show you what I got. Yeah, I'm so excited. I'm so happy. Okay, so once out of the box, this is what the packaging looks like. It comes in a plastic Ziploc and then the dust bag, okay? Okay, and here's the little dust bag. And I always keep my dust bags, y'all. I need some place to store it, so, you know, of course you gotta keep the dust bag. And inside of the dust bag, here we go. Can you guess what color I got? Take a wild guess real quick. Drop in the comments down below right now what color you think I got. All right, now that you've taken that guess, let me show you. Ta-da! Look at her, y'all. Look at her. Look at her. I got the cream Telfar medium. So just FYI, in case anybody wants the cream, it is a little bit more darker than cream. It's more of like a tan, slightly more of a light khaki color, but nonetheless it's still very pretty. Okay, let's take this off. And this is what the straps look like. The straps are not adjustable on these bags. You know, they just are what they are, but it's okay. And then the bags also come with a handle, as you can see. If you're more of a handle person, you don't want to use the straps. Now, like I said, the straps aren't adjustable and they're not removable either. So, I mean, if you don't want the straps, I guess you can just always tuck them inside the bag if you want to hide them. But, you know. So, inside, let's just go ahead and open the inside up, y'all. Oh, I just had to smell it because I'm just, okay, so this is what the inside of the bag looks like. Y'all, the medium is very sizable. I'm not lying, it's very big. So it's just open, completely open, no compartments in here. You get one pocket. Yeah, it has a little zip right here, and you get this little, you know, some storage where you can hide some stuff, you know, or something that you don't want just out and exposed. You can put it in there, and it has a zipper. And yeah, and then everything else is just kind of, like I said, it's no compartment, so it's just everything just kind of, it's just dumped in there. But if you don't like the whole like no compartments thing where, you know, it's just one big bag, you can always buy those purse compartments on Amazon. I can't remember, they may be like $20, $30 at the most. But you know, something that you stick down in your bag and just gives you some like separation and, you know, some storage, organization for your purse. And I would drop a link down below so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Those are available, you know, if you were somebody who, you know, that will bother you, okay, because I get it. But yeah, and then of course the inside of the bag is just, I don't know, it's more of like a clothy kind of material. I don't know what this material is. It feels a little water resistant though, okay. And then of course with the bag, it doesn't have a zipper to close. It just has a little magnet snap, so you just snap it together. And I got this in a medium, like I said, which I love, because the medium, I can take this to work. My laptop fits in here, my tablet fits in here, my wallet, notebooks, purses, pens, makeup bag, everything fits in the medium. Like, so much stuff. Like, the medium is huge. Like the medium is more of a large than anything. Like I said, this is a great travel bag as well because I have the pink Telfar also that I've been carrying around. And I've been carrying this around for a couple weeks now. And I went out of town recently to Florida and I took this with me as like my carry-on bag. No issues. When I tell you, you can fit everything in this. I had my laptop in here, a sweater, food, snacks, chargers, all my regular purse stuff, my keys, everything fit in here for my carry-on. The medium is a perfect size. Now, the large, and I don't have a large, but I'm very familiar with like the large itself. The large is more of like almost a duffel size in my opinion. Like they are big, okay? And it could work as a carry-on also, or it can work as like an overnight tote. Like, you know, if you're going somewhere, staying the night for like a day or two, a large can definitely hold like your clothes, maybe a pair of shoes, you know, toiletries. Like it's big. Consider large more of a overnight bag, medium more of like a carry-on, and the small is more mini to me than the small. Like they are tiny. Like the only thing that fits in there is like your keys and your phone maybe. That's kind of like the size difference between all of them, but the medium is perfect for me. And I just thought this would be a nice, more everyday color than my little hot pink one over here that I've been carrying. You know, more toned down, it's good for work, more neutral, so this will be perfect for me. Super excited, so I'm gonna probably change my purse out this weekend. And, you know, yeah, that is pretty much it, you guys. I just want to show you that really quick. So thank you for tuning in to this video. Let me know if you have any questions. Leave them in the comments down below. Share this video, like, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell, okay? All right, y'all, I'll see you in my next video.